Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Instant Pot Duo plus 9-in-1 pressure cooker, a true kitchen game changer that promises to simplify your cooking like never before. This amazing appliance isn't just a pressure cooker. It's also a slow cooker, rice cooker, yogurt maker, sauté pan, sterilizer, and more, all packed into one sleek design. Forget complicated recipes. With 15 smart, one-touch customizable programs for everything from soup to cake, delicious meals are just a button press away. Imagine replacing half your kitchen gadgets with this one powerful device, saving you counter space and precious time during meal prep. Durability meets convenience with its premium stainless steel inner pot, ensuring even cooking and super easy cleanup. No more scrubbing. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or find the best multi-cooker deal for 2025, the Instant Pot Duo Plus is definitely worth considering. What sets it apart is the seamless integration of so many functions, making gourmet cooking accessible for even the busiest home cooks. Ready to transform your cooking experience? You can find the Amazon link for the Instant Pot Duo Plus in the description below. From quick weeknight dinners to impressive holiday feasts, this Instant Pot delivers consistent, delicious results every time. For anyone serious about efficient, versatile, and stress-free cooking, the Instant Pot Duo Plus 9-in-1 is an absolute must-have for your kitchen this year.